Have you ever stood up from a chair and noticed it felt just a little harder than it used to? Maybe you are climbing the stairs and realize you are leaning more on the handrail these days. Or perhaps you have looked in the mirror and thought, where did all that strength go? If any of this sounds familiar, I want you to know you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not powerless. As we age, our bodies naturally go through changes. Some are subtle, others feel like they sneak up on us overnight. One of the most common and most frustrating changes is muscle loss, that quiet slipping away of the strength we once had in our arms, legs, back. It starts as early as our 30s, but after 60, it really begins to show if we are not actively doing something about it. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Well, isn't muscle loss just part of aging? There's not much we can do, right? But here's the thing. Yes, it's common, but no, it's not something we have to accept without a fight. The truth is, we can manage it, even reverse some of it, and regain that sense of vitality, energy, and independence we all deserve to keep as we grow older. In this video, we are going to talk about practical, doable ways to maintain and rebuild muscle even after 60. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. You just need a little consistency, a bit of knowledge, and a whole lot of belief in yourself. So, let's talk about how to stay strong, active, and full of life. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked yet powerful tools for preserving muscle, and that is movement. Not high intensity, heart pounding workouts, just simple, regular movement. You see, our muscles are like little engines. When we use them, they stay active. When we ignore them, they start to shut down. And the more sedentary we become, sitting in front of the TV, driving instead of walking, using remote controls instead of standing to turn something off, the faster that muscle loss creeps in. Even something as simple as getting up and stretching every hour, taking a walk after lunch, or doing light chores around the house can send a signal to your body that says, hey, these muscles are still needed. Try marching in place during commercial breaks or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Park a little further from the store entrance. Every little bit counts, and these tiny decisions add up to a difference over time. Now, once you have got that daily movement going, the next step is to include a bit of resistance. Don't worry, I am not asking you to lift heavy weights or join a boot camp. Resistance can be as gentle as using your own body weight, holding soup cans during arm curls, or using resistance bands while seated in a chair. It can be doing squats while holding onto the kitchen counter, or pushing yourself up from a chair using just your legs. These small acts of resistance tell your muscles to stay strong. And the beautiful thing is, our bodies are incredibly responsive, even in our 60s, 70s, and beyond. I have seen people in their 80s who started with just a few gentle leg lifts while sitting, and within months, they were walking more confidently, standing taller, and smiling with a renewed sense of control over their bodies. And let's not forget balance. Maintaining muscle isn't just about looking toned or lifting things more easily. It's about stability. Strength in your legs and core helps prevent falls, keeps you steady when you reach for something high up or turn quickly to grab a phone ringing across the room. Simple balance exercises like standing on one foot while holding onto a chair or practicing heel to toe walking along a hallway can reinforce the strength you are building and help prevent accidents that often rob people of their independence. Of course, there's another key player in this journey: what you put on your plate. Our muscles thrive on protein, but as we age, our bodies don't absorb it as efficiently. That means we need to be even more intentional about getting enough of it every day. A lot of older adults don't realize they are not eating enough protein to support muscle health. It's not just about meat, although chicken, fish, and lean beef can be great sources. You can also turn to eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, lentils, beans, and nuts. One tip that helps: try spreading your protein throughout the day. Don't save it all for dinner. Instead, include a little protein with every meal. Maybe some eggs at breakfast, beans in your soup at lunch, a handful of almonds for a snack, and some grilled fish at dinner. Your muscles will thank you for it. And here's something else you might not have thought about: hydration. Yes, our muscles are made up of a lot of water, and staying hydrated helps them function properly. As we get older, our sense of thirst can fade, so we may not feel thirsty even when our body needs fluids. Try keeping a water bottle nearby and take sips throughout the day. Herbal teas, broths, and even fruits like watermelon or oranges can contribute to your hydration too. Muscle loss isn't something that happens overnight, and thankfully, recovery doesn't have to either. This is a gentle process, one where you listen to your body, take small steps, and build momentum. You might not notice changes in the mirror right away, but you will start feeling stronger. Maybe it's the ease of getting out of bed in the morning. Maybe it's walking without that stiff, slow shuffle. Maybe it's standing up without needing to push off the armrest. These changes matter. They restore not just physical strength but confidence, something we sometimes forget we are allowed to feel no matter our age. So, if you are sitting there thinking, can I really do this? Let me be the one to tell you, yes, you can. Now that you have started to understand just how powerful small steps can be, you might be wondering what else you can do to stay ahead of muscle loss. Well, one of the most underrated tools in your toolkit is rest. Yes, good old fashioned rest. When we sleep, our bodies repair and rebuild, especially our muscles. But sleep often becomes tricky as we get older. Tossing, turning, waking up in the middle of the night, it can all get in the way. But here's the thing: your muscles need that recovery time. So if you're serious about staying strong, take your sleep seriously too. That might mean going to bed a little earlier, keeping your bedroom cool and quiet, or even sipping on a calming herbal tea before bed. And if naps help, take them, but keep them short so they don't mess with your nighttime rest. Now, let's talk about something equally important: posture. Have you ever noticed how slouching just feels tired? Poor posture doesn't just make you look older, it actually weakens your muscles over time, especially in your back and core. Simply sitting or standing up straight can activate muscles you forgot were there. Try gently pulling your shoulders back when you walk or standing tall while brushing your teeth. These little cues remind your body to stay engaged, and over time, they build up strength in a subtle but powerful way. And let's not forget the power of doing things you love: gardening, dancing, playing with grandkids, even tidying up your home. All of these can keep your muscles engaged without feeling like exercise. That's the secret. When you are enjoying yourself, it doesn't feel like work. So find the movement that brings you joy and do more of it. Strength isn't just about lifting weights, it's about lifting your life. So, if you have started with small movements, added resistance, watched your protein, hydrated well, focused on balance, and prioritized rest, you are already far ahead of where you were before. But we are not done yet. There's still more you can do to keep those muscles working for you, because staying strong isn't just physical, it's also about mindset. One of the biggest reasons people give up is thinking it's too late, but it never is. Your muscles respond at any age. What matters is starting and staying consistent. Even 10 minutes a day can change how you feel, move, and live. Now, don't be surprised if you hit a slow patch. Maybe you miss a day or feel tired. That's okay. What matters is getting back on track the next day. Progress doesn't mean perfection, it means showing up for yourself again and again. And if you can, find a buddy, someone to walk with, stretch with, or just check in. A little support goes a long way, and it makes things more fun. You might be surprised how motivating it is to know someone else is rooting for you. So, let's sum it up simply: move early in the day, build a little resistance, eat enough protein, drink your water, rest well, stand tall, and enjoy what you're doing. These steps aren't complicated, but they are powerful. Your body still wants to be strong, it still wants to support you, and it can if you give it the chance. You have got this. You really do. And if this video helped or encouraged you in any way, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and most of all, keep believing in yourself. Here's to strength, confidence, and living fully at any age. See you in the next video.